It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer.
Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today we're diving into the fiery world of Aries inspired nail art. Aries, the first sign of the zodiac, is known for its passionate and dynamic nature. Represented by the ram, Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action and energy. This fire sign is all about courage, determination, and a zest for life. So I'm going to try and channel that fiery spirit in this nail set. Here's my inspiration. I found a few pictures on Pinterest searching Aries birthday nails, and I just took a little elements from each one. The zodiac sign Aries gets its name from the Latin word for ram. In Greek mythology, Aries is associated with the story of the golden fleece. The ram with the golden fleece, known as the Ram of Aries, was sent by the gods to rescue the children of King Athens. The ram became the constellation Aries, and the sign of the zodiac is named after this mythical creature. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, representing the beginning of a new astrological year and symbolizing new beginnings and fresh starts. The color for Aries is red. According to zodiacsign.com, the best compatibility with Aries are air signs like Libra and other fire signs like Leo. Fire signs and air signs share their enthusiasm for life and intellectual stimulation. The dates for Aries are March 21st through April 19th. Are you an Aries or do you know one? Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know if any of the Aries traits apply to you. Aries is known as a cardinal sign, which means it is associated with initiating action, leadership, and new beginnings. Aries is known for being independent, enthusiastic, and adventurous, always seeking new experiences and challenges. Some famous Aries include Lady Gaga, Reese Witherspoon, Mariah Carey, Diana Ross, Lil Nas X, Eddie Murphy, Big Sean, Chance the Rapper, Paul Rudd, Celine Dion, and Halle Bailey. There are many personality traits attributed to Aries, and some are labeled as strengths and others as weaknesses. Courageous. Aries are fearless and always ready to take on new challenges. Energetic. They are full of energy and enthusiasm, often leading the way with their dynamic nature. Adventurous. Aries love to explore and try new things, always seeking excitement and adventure. Confident. They have a strong sense of self-confidence and believe in their abilities to succeed. Passionate. Aries are passionate about their pursuits and can be very enthusiastic about the things they care about. Assertive. They are assertive and often take charge in situations, preferring to be leaders rather than followers. Independent. Aries value their independence and often prefer to do things their own way. Impulsive. They can be spontaneous and sometimes act on impulse without thinking things through. Competitive. Aries enjoy competition and thrive in situations where they can showcase their skills and abilities. Optimistic. They have a positive outlook on life and are always looking for the silver lining in any situation. If you've made it this far in the video, drop me a fire emoji in the comments below. I love the way this nail set turned out, and honestly, I think it's my favorite nail set I've done so far on this channel. And there you have it, a stunning Aries-inspired fire nail art set that captures the essence of this dynamic and passionate zodiac sign. Whether you're an Aries yourself or just looking to add some fiery energy to your look, this nail art is sure to turn heads. If you made it this far in the video, remember to drop a fire emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art videos, and I'll see you, or you'll see me, in the next video. Bye guys.